our English class. Children, what is this? It's a beautiful kitten. Do you like kitten? It's my kitten. Okay, suppose one day you comes to school and says to your friends, I have a pet kitten at my home. Actually, you don't have any kitten. You are telling lies. Okay? And your friends asking you, okay, tell us more about your kitten. And you says its color is that one, and that kitten likes this one, and something like that. You tells more about your kitten. Okay? And they ask, we will come to your home and we want to see your kitten. Then you says many excuses. No, you can't come. You can't see that kitten. We will be out. Something like that excuses. But your friend says, no, we will come to your home. Then at last you agreed that one. When you go to home, you are thinking, what will do? Actually, there is no kitten at your home. Something you are waiting for your friends and what will say to your friends. Okay, children, now we are going to learn such a drama. Drama means, do you know? Play, drama. And many characters are these in this drama. First one narrator. Narrator means a person who narrates something or convey a story to an audience. One narrator. Narrator, Ammu, Ammu's Achan, Ammu's Amma, and Kumari, Venu, Abdul. These are Ammu's friends. 3 scenes are there. 3 scenes. Scenes means where this drama happens. 3 scenes are there. Okay? 1 scene at the school and 2 scenes are at Ammu's home. Now, let us learn that drama. Okay? Today, let's check 2 scenes. Okay? 2 scenes we will learn today. Okay. Children, take out your textbook, page number 96. The last lesson, lesson 10, Ammu's kitten. Lesson 10, Ammu's kitten. Here is one warm-up. Let's check that. It's very interesting. What is that? Work in pairs and spot 6 differences between the 2 kittens. 2 kittens are there. Find out 6 differences between the 2 kittens. You do it. Okay. Now, I have already told you this is not a story and this is a drama. So many characters will be there. Who all are the characters? One narrator, Ammu, Achan, Amma, Venu, Abdul, Kumari, Unni. These 4 are Ammu's friends. Then scene 1 in Ammu's school. In Ammu's school. Narrator says, Ammu wants a pet kitten. What Ammu wants? A pet kitten. Ammu wants a pet kitten. But she does not have one. Ammu wants a pet kitten, but she does not have pet kitten. At school, however, she tells her friends that she has a kitten. She does not have a kitten, But she tells her friends, who all are friends? Venu, Abdul, Kumari, Unni. She tells them that she has a kitten at her home. Ammu says now, I have a beautiful kitten. His name is Shankar. Ammu said, I have a beautiful kitten. His name is Shankar. Okay, imaginary name it is. Actually, she doesn't have any kitten. But she says, her friends, I have a beautiful kitten. His name is Shankar. Venu, Abdul, Kumari, Unni. Unni said, wow, that is great. Tell us more about him. What Unni said? Wow, that is great. Tell us more about him. Ammu said, Shankar is grey and has white spots. Shankar, who is Shankar? Ammu's imaginary kitten. Shankar is grey. What is the color of Shankar? Grey and has white spots. Spots means, yeah, like this. Spots, white spots. He eats bananas. See, what are the things Ammu says? These all are lies. Abdul. Then Abdul asks. Another friend Abdul asks, does he play with you? Does Shankar play with you? Ammu replies, oh yes, he plays ball with me in the garden. How Shankar plays? He plays ball with me in the garden. Who said this one? Ammu said to Abdul. Then Kumari asks, can we all come home today, please? We want to see Shankar. Kumari asked, can we all come home today, please? We want to see Shankar. Ammu shaking her head. Ammu shaking her head. I am sorry. You can't come home today. Then Unni asked, why not? Ammu, Shankar is a little scared of crowds. What is the reason? She said, Shankar is little scared. Scared means what? Fear. Of crowds. Crowds means group of people. Shankar is little scared of crowds. And Kumari, then we will play with him one by one. Okay, a little scared of crowds. Then we will not play together. We will play with him one by one. And Ammu again excused what? I am sorry, but we are going out today. Again and again Ammu says lies. I am sorry, but we are going out today. Then Abdul said, then we will come tomorrow. Okay, you are going out today. Then we will come tomorrow. Venu said, we will bring bananas for him. Why? Why did Venu say like that? Because Ammu had said them, Shankar eats banana or Shankar likes banana. That's why Venu said, we will bring bananas for him. Ammu, at last she agreed with a sigh. Sigh means what? Like that. Okay? Okay. Now here is one small box that you have listened very carefully. It's a question. Why do you think Ammu lies to her friends? Why do you think Ammu lies to her friends? Do you know? Actually, she likes a pet, but she doesn't have. Now, next question is it a good thing to tell a lie? Never. Never ever we will tell a lie. It's not a good thing. It's very bad habit. Okay? Now take next page. It is scene 2. Then what was in scene 1? At last, Ammu agreed. Now, Ammu's friends will go to her home to see Shankar. Scene 2. That evening, at Ammu's house. What is the scene? Evening at Ammu's house. Narrator. That evening, narrator means he says or describes about the scene. That evening, Ammu returns home, worried and sad. After school, Ammu returns home, but she was not happy. She was worried and sad. What will she do if her friends find out that she told them a lie? Next day, Ammu's friends will come. If her friends find out that she told them a lie, what she will do? She asks her father for help. Ammu. See, here is Achan, father of Ammu. Achan, please could you buy a kitten for me? Ammu asked her, Achan, what? Please could you buy a kitten for me? What Achan is doing? Achan is reading the newspaper. We will see. He continued his reading and replied, we will see. But Ammu was not satisfied in that reply. Again, Ammu, but it's urgent. Urgent means what? Always we are using this word urgent, very important. Okay? Achan, looking up from the newspaper. Now he stopped his reading, looking up from the newspaper. Why is it so urgent? Achan asked Ammu, why is it so urgent? Ammu whispers to herself. Whispers means what? Murmuring. Very low voice. Okay? Oh, how do I tell Achan that I told my friends a lie? That is whispering. Oh, how do I tell Achan that I told my friends a lie? Achan. Again Achan is asking, Ammu, why is it urgent? Answer me. Then Ammu said, oh, it's all right, Achan. It is not urgent. She can't tell that she had told her friends a lie. Narrator. Again narrator says, Achan laughs and continues reading the newspaper. Ammu sits there sadly. Here we can stop today and we will continue the next scene in the coming class. Okay? Achan laughs and continues reading the paper. Ammu sits there sadly. Till here you read very well. Minimum 3 times you have to read. Okay children? Thank you.